Yes, correct. Beautiful. Beautiful. So down on contemporary dance, Abi?
A little bit of modern dance and contemporary.
There's a little bit of modern, everything. Okay, but as it be like this now, all these dances, make we even tell them, first and foremost, before me and you go do our own. What be the essence of dance for inside person body? How very important this thing what you do now, they important to them. Even though we know, but me that you're here.
Dance is very important. First of all, dance is a source of joy.
Sort of joy. Okay.
Try am. If you dey vex,
yes.
just play music, you dance.
Okay. Maybe husband and wife just quarrel now. What's wrong with you? I don't talk about how did you come from this house?
You see, you gonna say happy. You see?
What if you come back house? Tony, I love you. Honey, you're very, very wrong. But I'm sorry.
Exactly.
So they work,
if you dey praise God, no be dance they use.
Not true. Even God himself, they not true. Igwe. Don't be church.
I don't
know. Not true. Dance did that one.
Exactly. Dance, they very good for your body.
Okay.
Now another form of exercise.
Okay.
It keeps your heart rate up.
Okay, your heart rate.
Exactly.
Your blood will pump well for your heart.
Exactly.
They circulate for the whole body.
Exactly.
Now exercise for you. You understand now? And
now
for
good
those girls,
cardio.
Cardio. That one, not be everybody. Not be everybody say cardio. You say cardio. Na person name.
Cardio now when they move your body well. When they sweat, when they burn all those fats. Exactly.
So they burn fat, they come out. For some people that when you get plenty fat for body, you think would they reduce everything.
Yes.
For people that want grow this side, you see some girls they say, that's not twerking things now they help them.
No, it's working,
Make them yell.
Na squat.
Squat. Okay, so if they do this one more than a year now we don't let's plan say man I want to go and grow things. So squat will they help you. So if you still use music, they do the squat.
Music, they do squat.
1, 2.
Now dance aerobics they call it.
Dance aerobics.
Exactly.
Dance aerobics. Nice one. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope say I don't hear everything where Sarah come and give all of us like this. Now on top Twitter, how do they on top Instagram, how do they follow you?
My name for Instagram now Sarah Chips. SAYRAHCHIPS.
Why that chips enter? That's
Chips.
you like plantain and chips.
See, for me, chips, na anything you want.
Okay, chips.
So if
chips,
you like plantain chips,
yes.
now waiting I be that.
Some people chips na money.
Exactly.
Exactly. So now which one you dey talk?
Chips for another country,
yes.
na like Pringles.
No, not true.
So now anywhere where you, I live am for.
For some people na quickly.
Exactly.
Some people na bolly.
Exactly. I live am for.
Fried corn.
I live am so you
Exactly.
open to suggestion.
And they bring you come area. Some people don't know.
I like
we
that.
know.
I like that.
Sarah, beautiful one. I like your dance finish. I can't like you pass. Hi. You overlay. Oh, you are touching my heart like this. Oh, beautiful. I think they shout and they shout. I'm gonna leave her. Is it your holding?
We never dance.
We go dance our dance now. We'll do that one now. Okay,
Don't
so
do it.
easy beat. You all ready for us? Because me and Sarah are about to do our own things now. And me, I go at the rough and the well. You understand? So easy beat. Play the music. So we go.
You need the normal. Okay. I don't feel.
Play one gigi first before we enter Rabata. You understand?
Gigi first.
We'll first pose for that one first. So.
Hey.
1. Hey. So you go to lead me now, me I go to follow. Anyone you give me, I will give.
No matter.
Oh yeah. Hey. Joy.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Some of them wanna wine for me.
Hey.
Some of them boogie down for me. They love the way the ladies will wine for me. Everybody know.
Hey.
Everybody know.
Hey.
I like the way you do it, babe.
Yeah.
I need to say. I'm a lady
Okay.
who wine on me. See you just
Ayagba. Oh, easy beat. Jealousy no go kill you. Wicked boy like you.
This worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We go boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell her, baby, baby, I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, baby, I'm on fire.
Okay. Yeah, baby. Hey.
I saw I came, I conquered. Or should I say I saw I conquered, I came. This little chico on fire, he no lie. Well, y'all slipping, he's running the game. Now, bang, bang, boogie, get that kitty little noogie in a nice little shave. I gave Susie little pat up on the booty and she turned around and said, walk this way.
Hey.
Mama said, whoa, my baby, I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm perfect,
Thank you. Sarah, thank you very, very much.
No,
Lord.
thank you.
We have to see after the service.
No problem.
You understand? After the service. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we hope that you enjoy the show for the night. Said our Roomba things and every with correct, beautiful Sarah in the building. Thank you again. Say you come. Okay, so from here, try to dance more often. Try to use dance to do different things. As soon as I take talk, dance is settle quarrel. Okay, so just dress like this for the fuel matter, for your family matter, spiritual issue, any issue you get. Dance, okay? You go take your mind, calm down. Okay, so that before you sleep this night now, do a dancing
That's
thing.
away your sorrow.
That's away your sorrow. All right, we love all of you now. From here, Easy Beat and myself, we say good night to all of you now. You know, sleep very, very well. So Easy Beat, take away the dancing.
yeah.